Hello, students. This recording covers the Lindsey Wilson College Clinical Training Handbook. And for this video, we'll cover pages 59 and 60 of the handbook regarding session recording verification. So this sheet is the session recording verification. And here you add the student name, the site name. And it says the master's degree program in counseling and human development with a specialization in mental health counseling at the Lindsey Wilson College School of Professional Counseling is accredited by the Council for Accreditation of Counseling and Related Educational Programs, or CACREP. One of the accreditation standards, 3.B. For graduate student practicum and internship training includes program-appropriate audio-video recordings and/or live supervision of students' interactions with clients. Therefore, students are expected to present session recordings to their group supervisor during practicum internship group supervision. Several considerations support the protection of client confidentiality. 1. Signed informed consent documentation obtained from the individual client for session recordings. A. The signed informed consent documentation achieves compliance with HIPAA regulations. 2. Signed agreements from the graduate students to maintain client confidentiality. 3. Procedure that all recordings will be erased or destroyed no later than the end of each semester to further protect client confidentiality. However, on rare occasions, a particular agency will have documented agency policy that prohibits audio and video recording of clients. Such policies prohibit client session recordings to be used for educational professional training purposes and review by licensed certified mental health professionals. Prohibit client session recordings to be made by graduate students under structured and licensed supervision who are in the process of completing master's degrees in mental health counseling. Prohibit clients from completing informed consent documentation to participate in recorded sessions, or provide on-site supervisors with the understanding that the policy has been uniformly adopted and is currently binding that agency. This second part of the form requires that you check either yes or no, indicating that the graduate student will be able to record sessions at this site. Please contact the SPC resident faculty supervisor if you have any questions. If the graduate students are not able to record at this site, then they will have to find an alternative site for the purpose of recording sessions for clinical supervision. If this is the case, then the proposed alternative site is, and here you would provide the alternative site under the licensed supervision of, and here you would provide the name of the new supervisor. Alternative additional clinical training sites will need to be approved by submitting a separate application for the new clinical training site to the SPC, resident faculty supervisor. The only exception to submitting a separate application would be when treating clients in one of SPC's counseling centers or labs, when it is serving as a secondary training site for the student. And then you, as the graduate student, would sign here, and the on-site supervisor would sign. And that is how you would complete the session recording verification for the site that you intend to engage in practicum. Please submit any questions to your group supervisor or the clinical director of supervision for internship and practicum. Thank you.